it's our first time to do a cruise.
Hello. Amazing.
Hello mga ka-forever! So, it's our first time to do a cruise and dito tayo sa Manila, sa Manila manggagaling yung cruise namin. It's Costa Sirena, also our 13 years marriage enrichment.
Porque masaya kayo, hindi nyo nagagawin to.
Correct.
Masaya man kayo o may problema, we suggest gawin nyo rin to sa couples nyo.
And we're excited sa mga revelation pa ni Lord sa life namin and dito sa marriage namin soon.
Amazing.
Amazing. And thank you to Charles kasi every time na may airport or eto may cruise kami dito sa Manila, yung van niya yung ginagamit namin. Pwede nyo ring i-rent. Just PM me. I'll give you the direct contact ng owner ng van for rent ng airport transfer. Okay guys, so bago tayo mag-embark, dadaan din tayo sa immigration and of course sa screening. And then after this, sasakay na ng boat. Oh! Thank you. It's on. Wow! Andito na yung maleta natin. Yeah!
It's honeymoon time.
I love our room. Ito yung cabinet nila, malaki. May mga hanger, I love it. And ito yung vest. May mga hanger, ang dami hanger, I love it. And this is our CR. So, nandito na kami. Ito yung protocol bago umandar yung boat. So, lahat kailangan naka-ganito at pupunta sa deck para sa orientation. You need to link your Costa card to your credit card so you can avail all the services and yung mga cafes and restaurant dito na may bayad. Pero, of course, libre naman yung lunch and dinner and breakfast. Buffet siya. And may a la carte na unlimited. We're gonna go around the boat. The ship, I mean. Sports area. Oh. Ang daming tambayan, hindi ka mabuboard, no? Ang dami mong magagawa. So guys, it's dinner time and our dinner is a la carte pero unlimited pa rin. Hanggat kaya mo, pwede kang umorder ng umorder. So, ito siya.
Ang sarap ng food.
Sarap. Wow. Ang sarap, grabe. It's our day 1 here. Busog na agad kami. Kaya kailangan natin mag-workout bukas para mabawi yung mga kinain. So guys, manonood kami ng show. So may show dito tonight. Front seat tayo guys. Love it. So pagpasok, ayoko dito. So pagpasok mo, may party!
Blessing for us to be here. And of course, thank you kay Brother Bong at kay Sis Claire kasi nasama po niya kami dito. And upon looking at the crowd, we feel like baka parang kami po ata yung isa sa pinakabagong mag-asawa. You know, we see a lot of seasoned marriages here and we're very excited to learn so much from you. And
Ayan, so yan po. So we're gonna be talking about first is communication in marriage. So di ba po sa atin, feeling natin na ang tagal-tagal na namin, alam na namin yan. But you know, yung communication po kasi dito yung ano, it's actually a bridge.
Good morning! Morning! Good morning! It's our day to here. Look at the sun. So beautiful. Buffet na naman. Everyday buffet.
Tapos, gawin natin.
Hi guys. So, nandito na kami sa
Kasi mag-ano,
Pacific Ocean. Kain muna.
Commit to all these 7 P's? Can you
Yes.
commit?
Yes.
Parang mahina. Can you make a commitment? Amen. Very good. Okay, so let's close in prayer.
Oh.
Dinner.
Sabi ko lang, oh.
Everyday steak, guys. Salmon. Every day is only food. Only food, only food, only food. Hi guys, so here's the look tonight. There's a white party sa may pool area, but hindi ko alam kung naka-white ako, pero white naman yung bag ko. So this is from Brandville. Cute, diba? Bagay sa cruise. And then, this is my Zimmerman dress from my closet manager.
Spot it. It's the 90s.
So we're gonna party. Let's go.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I.
Supervisor sa ng bar.